Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application designed to help users organize, calculate, analyze, and present data in a structured format. It stores information in rows and columns, making it easy to perform calculations, sort information, create charts, and analyze large amounts of data. An Excel file is called a workbook, and each workbook contains one or more worksheets. Information is entered into individual cells, which are formed by the intersection of rows and columns. Unlike manual calculations, Excel can perform thousands of calculations automatically using formulas and built-in functions, making work faster and more accurate. Let us look at the features of Excel. We have the Home tab, which contains the most frequently used commands for formatting and editing worksheets. We have the Insert tab, which is used to add different objects to a worksheet. Page Layout tab contains tools for preparing a worksheet for printing. Users can change page orientation, adjust page margins, select paper size, set printing areas, and so on. We have the Formulas tab, which provides tools for creating calculations. A formula always begins with an equal sign and may include numbers, cell references, mathematical operators, or built-in Excel functions. The Data tab contains tools used to organize and analyze information. We have the Review tab, which helps users check and protect their work. The View tab allows users to control how the worksheet appears on the screen. It includes options for zooming in and out, freezing panes, displaying or hiding grid lines, viewing multiple worksheets, and so on. To use Excel effectively, it is important to understand the following components. A cell. A cell is the smallest unit in a worksheet. It is formed where a row and a column intersect. Cells are used to store different types of data such as text, numbers, dates, formulas, and others. Worksheet. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet page within a workbook. A worksheet consists of thousands of rows and columns containing individual cells where users enter data and manage data. Multiple worksheets can exist within one workbook, allowing users to organize different types of information separately. Workbook. A workbook is an Excel file that contains one or more worksheets. Each workbook can be used to organize related information in one file. For example, a business might keep separate worksheets for sales, expenses, employees, inventory. All these worksheets are stored together inside a single workbook. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.